Hello, my name is Denise Catching, Center Director from Through the Looking Glass Early Head Start. I have a question. Do you have a child or children that are picky eaters? Well, to help your child or children try new foods, you need to first talk about the food, talk about where it comes from, and what it does for their body. You can first start off by saying, this is so good. It will make you strong like me, like mommy or daddy, grandpa, grandma, aunt, or uncle. And even you can say, it's going to make you strong like Popeye, like the Minions, or even the Ninja Turtles. And again, you need to model in order for your child or children to try new foods.